Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find the most up-to-date discount code for Axe Trader funding and the best way to apply them. Let's look at some of the key benefits of Axe Trader funding. You can keep up to 100% of the profit that you earn. At first you actually keep 80%, but if you keep on going and prove to Axe Trader funding that you're a profitable trader, then you can keep up to 100%. There are no maximum trading days, there are no minimum trading days. You can pay once and actually try it twice, which is one of the best features about this prop firm. Not a lot of other prop firms give you this opportunity. You can hold your trades over the weekend and you can actually scale up to $5 million in funded capital. To get the most up-to-date discount code for Axe Trader funding, click the link in our description below. By the time you watch this video, this discount code may have changed, but always make sure to double check the website to see if there's any updated discount codes. But what you need to do is copy the discount code that will be in this box right here and click the green claim now button. This will then take you to the checkout page on Axe Trader funding. What you have to do is literally just enter all your information right here, your email, your first name, your country of residence, your address information, and then go down to the bottom right here where it says have a discount code. And what you need to do is click that button, then copy and paste this into the box and click verify. Now once that's done, you should see that the discount amount has been taken away from your total. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more trading content and discount codes for prop firms.